Hello, Clearborough, North Dallas, wrapping a 2020 C8 Corvette, 2020 Corvette. I'm just gonna go over the hood. I meant to do this as I was going, but I'm almost finished here. So I started with the hood. I'm gonna bring this down for a second. I'm gonna wipe this off so I can show you. This is how I do my full hoods. And I just had one person who brought one in that just was wrapped locally, and he wanted to ask me if I could do a better job on his hood because where this stealth fighter look is, all this was notched out, meaning they didn't wrap this, they kind of cut a relief cut. So I'm showing you here, here's half of the hood already wrapped. So there's where I start, and then it's wet still, obviously. I'm just laid it, but there's the edge that's going to go around, and I'll show you how it really looks easier. But I'm just going to come around here and wrap that, and then I'm going to come through and inspect each little inch of that. But as I wrap it around, you'll see underneath here, and it's really hard to tell, but the film is right here. It wraps around this edge. Let me see where I got, see, sometimes I surprise myself. But anyway, you get the point. That's how the edge is wrapped. There we go. So this here, you can see a little bit of it here. That'll all get pushed down here with some heat, and it'll go in nicely like that. But that's wrapping this edge. So if you're looking to do your new 2020 Corvette, you don't want notches here. Rocks can hit here as well, even though it goes in depressed into here. And even on the bumper, this all gets wrapped. So there's no relief cutting on any of that. And so there you go. There's the whole edge. See, there's the film hanging right there. So, and I'll trim that up. But here we are finishing up the hood, coming around with the wrap around it. We'll get these corners, not a problem. Here's half of it already cleared up, and it's still, you know, just the water underneath, but it'll come out perfectly clear. And then here we are on this corner back here, all wrapped. So there you go, 2020 Corvette, wrapping the entire hood, all the corners, so that this person has the best wrap available to them with XPEL Ultimate Plus. And also I remove the flag, so there's no line around it. The bird, or the flag, I'm sorry, goes, still thinking about Firebirds from back in the day, the flag will go over the film. And it goes exactly in the same place. I have the template. There's no issues. So there you go, folks. Just wanted to share that with you as I wrap this C8. Have a great day. Thanks. Any questions? ClearBrownNorthDallas.com.